Beryl, Beryl, Beryl is my school, best education reservoir for young learners just like me. Beryl, Beryl.
Hello children, how are you doing? You're welcome once again to another class on mathematics. Alright, today we'll be looking at the division of length. Remember last week we looked at multiplication of length, and I hope you still remember what we did, and you can multiply length for me. Alright, today we'll be looking at division of length. Division is not a new topic or a new concept for your level. I believe by now you should know what division means. Alright? Today we'll be using the long division in our calculation. Let's proceed with these few examples on the board. Example number 1. Divide 25 kilometers 40 meters by 4. Divide 25 kilometers 40 meters by 4. I want you to note one thing in this long division. In long division, we need three concepts in order to solve and arrive at the correct answer. The first concept is division. The second concept is multiplication. And the third one is subtraction. Alright? We'll be using these three concepts in our working today. Let's proceed. All is solution. Using the long division method. We have here kilometers and meters. The number you are dividing should be in 25 kilometers, 0.40 meters. Alright? Divided by 4. Starting with this, 2 divided by 4, not possible. 2 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4. You can see that the numerator is less than the denominator, which is not supposed to be so. The numerator or the number you are dividing should be greater than the number that is dividing. Alright? So, since you can divide 2 by 4, bring in 5. Now you have 25. 25. 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 4. 25 divided by 4. 25 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Remember I told you that we'll be working with three concepts in this long division. The first concept is division. And then the second one is multiplication, which I just did. And then the last one is subtraction. We've divided and we've multiplied. That is 25 divided by 4 is 6. Then 6 times 4 is 24. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to subtract. Alright? So we have now 25 minus 24. That is 5 minus 4, which is 1. Alright? Now, 2 take away 2 is 0. You don't need to write that. Alright, what we are going to do next here. Alright, before we continue, I want you to know that 40 meters is the same as 0.40 meters. Alright, this 0 is needed for you to understand that you need 1,000 meters to get what? 1 kilometers. So leaving the number here at 40 may get you confused, because at the time you're going to add this to this, you are going to have 140 instead of 1040 meters. All right. So this zero, I brought it in for you to understand that before you get to 1 kilometer, you will have to get up to 1000 meters. All right. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring down this zero here. This zero, you bring it down. So what we now have is 10 divided by 4. 10 divided by 4 is what? 2. 2 times 4 is what? 8. Now you subtract. Now we have 10 take away 8. That is 0 minus 8. Not possible. We borrow 1 from here to this one. We now have 10 minus 8, which is 2. So nothing is left here because you've taken away 1, which you added to 0. 1/10, which you added to 0. So 10 take away 8 is what? 2. Now you bring down this 4 and you add it to 2 this way. Alright? Now it's 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4 is what? 24 divided by 4. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4, 12. Plus 4, 16. Plus 4, 20. Plus 4, 24. So how many 4s do we have in 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 24 divided by 4 is 6. Then 6 times 4 is what? 24. Alright? You subtract. 4 take away 4, 0. 2 take away 2, 0. Right now we have 0, 0. Bring down this 0. Still have 0, 0. 0, 0 divided by 4 is still 0. 0, just like we have here 0, 0, 0. That is 0 divided by 4 is 0. 0 times 4 is still 0. We're still going to have 0. So the answer is 6 kilometers, 260 meters. 6 kilometers, 260 meters. Alright? We're going to look at example 2. Divide 40 kilometers, 280 meters by 7. I'm going to divide this by, divide 14 kilometers, 280 meters by 7. Solution. Still using the long division method. We have kilometer here, and we have meters here. Right? 14 kilometers. And what? 280 meters divided by what? 7. 1 divided by 7. Not possible. 14 divided by 7. Alright? 2. Or 14 divided by 7 is what? 2. 2 times 7 is what? 14. Now we subtract. 4 take away 4 is 0, 0. The next thing you bring down to 28. Alright? Sorry, you bring down. Alright, sorry. 4 take away 4 is 0. And 1 take away 1 is 0. Alright? If you bring down 2, what we have now is 2 divided by 7. Or you just remove this 0. We have now 2 divided by 7 is 0. Alright? So 0 divided by 7 is 0. Now you bring down 2. Don't bring down 2, sorry. 0 is going to have 0. 0, 0, 0. So you bring down this 2. This 2. 2 divided by 7 is not possible. You bring down 8 also. Now you have 28 divided by 7, which is 4. 28 divided by 7, which is what? 4. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 7 is what? 28. You subtract. 8 minus 8 is what? 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Alright? So now we have 0 divided by 7, which is still 0. We bring down this 0. Now 8 take away 8 is 0, and 2 take away 2 is what? 0. So what we have here is 0. Alright? If you bring it down to add this 0, we're going to have something like 0, 0, 0 divided by 7. Still be 0. So that it's going to be 0. 0 times 7 will be 0, 0, 0. If you subtract, you are still going to have 0. So since you subtracted till you have nothing left, that means what you have here is your answer. 14 kilometers, 280 meters divided by 7 is what? 2040. Sorry, is 2. This 0. 40 meters. Alright? Right, we are going to call it a day here, but I'll leave you with just few assignments. Alright, here are some assignments, few assignments for you. Number 1, divide 960 kilometers by 8. 2, divide 30 kilometers, 105 meters by 9. Alright, with this we come to the end of our class for today. Goodbye, stay safe.